Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by making the rigid frame. This sets every dimension. Measure and mark the frame pieces, cut 1/2, oversize so joints can be adjusted, and deburr edges to avoid snags. Once cut, assemble the rectangle with 2 clamps and tack with a single zip tie at each corner to hold alignment. Make sure to position the hardware cloth so the mesh squares run true to the frame. This prevents twisting later when you attach it permanently. Once the frame holds, drape the hardware cloth and center it carefully. You need even overlap on all sides. Start by stretching one long edge and fastening every 2 with zip ties so tension is uniform. Then move to the opposite edge, pulling taut and matching tie spacing. Next, repeat the process on the short sides, alternating corners to balance stress. Make sure to fold the excess over and crimp it with pliers or spot solder corners. To lock tension, you finish by trimming any excess mesh flush with the frame and filing all sharp bits. This protects hands and prevents snagging. Once done, apply a rust-proof spray or paint and let cure. This extends life dramatically. Then test the finished panel under the load or use case you expect. If you see sagging or flex, add a center brace or extra ties and retention. One key troubleshooting tip: if the mesh deforms, release opposite ties, restretch, and resecure to remove permanent folds.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.